Hello everyone and welcome to the Huawei Cloud Accelerating Intelligent Transformation session. In the past year, cloud services have become a key solution to responding to the huge challenges brought about by the epidemic. More and more enterprises realize that cloudification is crucial to the transformation of their businesses and organizations. As an important participant in the ICT field, Huawei has always focused on cloud technology. And Huawei has leveraged its advantages in multi-domain technology to help customers build cloud-native capabilities and achieve more efficient, intelligent transformation. In this session, our speakers will present the advantages of Huawei Cloud and Huawei Hybrid Cloud and launch 2 new cloud services. First, let's welcome Mr. Tan Shijie, the Director of Huawei Cloud International Sales Department. He will introduce cloud-native technology innovations and related services of Huawei Cloud.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Huawei Industrial Digital Transformation Conference. I'm James Tan, leading the team of Huawei Cloud International Solution Sales Department. In my session, I would like to share with all the audience regarding Huawei's idea of providing a new drive for intelligent transformation. Firstly, let's have a look into digital life experience in the current situation. According to Gartner's report, the impact of COVID-19 will last until 2021. The pandemic has led to dramatic changes in the way we work and how we live our lives. The 9-5-5 work schedule, which means work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., 5 days a week, may well be a thing in the past. In this new norm, consumer behavior is also changing. Some research shows that on average, people will spend 100 minutes on online video viewing each day in 2021, a 90% increase over 2019. Video will be the primary contributor of data growth on the internet. According to a report released by IoT Analytics, the number of IoT connections reached 11.7 billion by 2020, while the number of non-IoT connections, such as those of mobile phones and tablets, remained at about 10 billion. For the first time, IoT connections have exceeded non-IoT ones. A digital world is really just on our doorsteps. Under the new normal brought on us by the pandemic and in the wave of digital transformation across industries, the advantage of cloud services, including their easy accessibility, scalability, and agility, will come into full play. Cloud, along with other ICT technologies, will help enterprises adapt to new trends. Forrester also predicted how cloud computing will help companies around the world accelerate the recovery in 2021. The public cloud market will return to high-speed growth again. Forrester predicts that the global public cloud infrastructure market will grow by 35%, reaching $120 billion in 2021. As the use of serverless computing and containerization increase, the demand for cloud-native technology is expected to surge. Even before the pandemic, some 20% of developers routinely use containers and serverless functions. Forrester predicts that by the end of 2021, nearly 30% of developers will use containers on a regular basis. Cloud-native will be a major trend for the future. Huawei, as a leading ICT innovation solution provider, is providing many solutions based on Huawei Cloud. Drawing on Huawei's decades of ICT expertise and experience in serving government and enterprise customers, Huawei Cloud is uniquely positioned to provide customers with a best-in-class digital infrastructure for driving digital transformation. In a nutshell, Huawei Cloud offers a cloud foundation underpinned by the Qingtian architecture. 3 platforms, the application enablement platform, AI enablement platform, and the data enablement platform, that enable digital transformation of industries, and 4 types of connectivity services, connecting devices, connecting applications, connecting developers, and connecting organizations, targeting different scenarios. Based on Huawei's long-term R&D experience, we have developed the innovative services and built up solutions based on a unified Qingtian architecture, which delivers a seamless experience across the public cloud and hybrid cloud and edge cloud and builds a shared ecosystem. First, let's go to the innovative computing services Huawei Cloud have on board now. A cloud-native infrastructure makes enterprise application development much more agile and reduce operations and maintenance workloads. Resources can be provisioned across clouds, quickly to run workloads in multiple clouds and accelerate innovation. As the development scale is growing, enterprises need a multi-cloud, multi-center services architecture to handle service requirements. They also need to build up AI and big data services on a unified computing foundation to reduce investment in infrastructure resources and the operation and maintenance cost of multiple systems. This is where Kubernetes and cloud-native technology come in. In cloud-native has become the more promising way for enterprises to take digital transformation to the next level. In this regard, Huawei Cloud launches cloud-native infrastructure services to provide a cornerstone for future digital infrastructure. Such services usher in the cloud-native 2.0 era. In the cloud-native 2.0 era, cloud-native applications are not just running on top of the infrastructure. Rather, they are deeply integrated with the infrastructure, which we can call the move from on-cloud to in-cloud. There are three major upgrades in cloud-native capabilities. The first is application-defined infrastructure. Applications are no longer separated and independent from the infrastructure, but are aware of each other. Customer can flexibly schedule computing power based on application SLAs, dynamically allocate network bandwidth based on application IOs, and automatically allocate storage resources based on application requirements. Second, the native multi-cloud architecture, which allows flexible cross-cloud scheduling for applications to run anywhere. Third, Huawei has built a rich cloud-native application ecosystem that covers more scenarios such as middleware, AI, big data, and edge, enabling enterprises to quickly build innovative services. This advantage makes cloud-native an excellent foundation for digital infrastructure. In this architecture, Huawei Cloud is providing server services for you to build up the innovative cloud-native infrastructure. Firstly, at the infrastructure layer, Huawei Cloud is providing Cloud Container Engine, which is CCE as an abbreviation. CCE is an enterprise-class container platform based on Kubernetes and Docker. It features high availability, high performance, open architecture, and easy operation and maintenance. CCE has been widely used for internet, finance, and enterprise applications. Its high performance helps internet companies handle load peaks with grace. Its high availability ensures the services in the financial industry can run more easily. For large enterprises, it's a comprehensive solution for you from consultation to delivery and provides you the agility to fast delivery and high efficiency. Besides of the Cloud Container Engine, for meeting the demands on customer multi-cloud, Huawei Cloud provides a container management platform named as MCP. Multi-Cloud Container Platform MCP is developed by Huawei Cloud based on years of experience in the cloud container domain, plus the last federation technologies from the community. It provides a multi-cloud management solution to run containers and service across clouds, allowing unified deployment and traffic distribution of multi-cluster applications, such as Cloud Container Engine from both Huawei Cloud and other public cloud, and even from premise cloud, Huawei Cloud Stack, and other on-premise Kubernetes. Powered by Istio-based service measure, MCP allows you to manage all your application traffic in a centralized manner. It not only resolves multi-cloud disaster recovery, but also plays an important role in scenarios including load sharing and splitting of services and data, developing and production environments, and compute and services. At the last, on top of the multi-cloud management platform, Huawei Cloud provides application service mesh named as ASM to provide a non-intrusive microservices management. Application service mesh is an easy-to-use, fully managed service mesh with high performance and reliability that supports multiple types of infrastructure, such as virtual machines and containers, and unified governance of multi-cloud and multi-cluster service across regions. ASM supports access to microservices developed by traditional SDKs, such as Spring Cloud and Duo, without modifying the service code, and provides users with non-intrusive, developed language-independent service traffic management, service monitoring across security, and service release as part of a cloud infrastructure. ASM is a non-intrusive microservice governance solution for full lifecycle applications and traffic management. It's compatible with the Kubernetes and Istio ecosystems and provides a wide range of features, such as load balancing, outlier detection, and rate limiting. The built-in support for canary release, blue-green release, and other forms of grayscale release enables you to automate release management in one place. ASM monitors and collects data in a non-intrusive manner to provide real-time traffic topology and tracing. It provides a panoramic view of service operations, enabling you to easily monitor and diagnose service performance. On top of the cloud-native infrastructure platform, Huawei Cloud provides data lakehouse solution to enhance your traditional big data platform. With the explosive growth of the enterprise data and enterprise increasing attention to data value, conventional data lakes can no longer keep up with enterprise digital transformation needs for the following three reasons. First, data processing and storage are separated, resulting in resource redundancy and low utilization. Second, many data analysis systems are data silos. No single system can process all data and perform all analysis. Third, large data scale and increasing complex data analytics services lead to management and operation and maintenance complexity. Huawei Cloud's cloud-native data lake solution is the first to implement cloud-based full lifecycle data collection, storage, computing, management, and use, enabling all enterprises or cities to manage all data across systems in a single lake. Its advantage includes: first, the data lake and the warehouse are integrated. He2 engine can break through geographic and component limitations and remove barriers such as complex operations, diverse data types, displaced data, and inefficient collaboration. Second, real-time OLAP enables T+0 analysis, so you can quickly extract insight from data. Data can be imported to lake in real time. Hot data can be analyzed in real time. Third, Fusion Insight supports cloud-native applications and design. Data Lake Catalog provides a unified metadata services for hyperscale analysis engines, making data globally visible and available. Computing and storage are decoupled, and enterprise-class edge computing is used. This can reduce required copies down to 1.2 copies and TCO by more than 20%. The Data Lakehouse solution provides a unified metadata management platform, unified interface for access, unified analytics engine, and unified development and governance platform. The AI industry is booming with many emerging technologies. Now the biggest challenge lies in AI adoption. How we can integrate AI into our production systems, we are now facing a lot of problems. The first, we need to combine the mathematical simulations and physical world with industry knowledge and know-how. Second one, the conventional AI development calls for high coding skills. Third, the data generated by production systems can be used as samples to train AI models is in short supply. Huawei Cloud has upgraded its AI development platform, named as ModelOS, to support AI adoption in industries. ModelOS have been used in countless projects and have proven its value time and again. Firstly, ModelOS provides different development suites according to different developer skill levels, enabling one-stop development from data to models. We have recently added new features to it, such as auto-labeling, auto-learning, and small sample learning. Secondly, based on Huawei's decades of experience in serving enterprises customers, ModelOS have developed a rich set of capability suites that integrate extensive industry know-how. ModelOS also provides a workflow-based AI development platform. Developers can quickly roll out all AI services through simple workflow orchestration, greatly simplifying the AI application development and deployment. In addition, developers can release data algorithms and models in the AI marketplace, and Huawei Cloud customers can access them by subscription. This way, developers can modernize AI applications they have developed, and the customer can accelerate innovation with AI. Huawei Cloud uses ModelOS to provide AI enablement services. They help accelerate AI adoption in the industry from four aspects: the efficient knowledge building, efficient model building, efficient computing power, and efficient data processing. Huawei Cloud IoT is focused on building bottom-layer IoT capabilities with a vision of connecting things, ecosystems, and industries. We are dedicated to build end-to-end industry-tailored IoT solution by working together with our partners, with the aim of advancing digital transformation across industries. At the infrastructure layer, we work with chip and module vendors to pre-integrate SDKs. Using just 280 commands, device can be cloud-ready easily. Huawei Cloud IoT platform can be deployed not only on Huawei Cloud, but also on Huawei Cloud Stack and IoT edge devices to meet the different connection requirements for different industries, making connectivity simpler and more ubiquitous. At the application layer, we decouple IoT hardware from applications by using standard IoT profiles. One-stop solution design is possible, as partners can choose their desired hardware and application from the IoT marketplace and quickly develop IoT solutions. At the last, the industry layer, we work with partners to develop industry-specific IoT solutions like industrial internet, intelligent transportation, smart city, and smart logistics. Together, we accelerate digital transformation on those industries. The COVID-19 pandemic has driven adoption of remote office collaboration in governments and enterprises and has accelerated enterprise digitalization. Huawei Cloud Meeting Service played a very important role in the fight against the pandemic globally. Over 15 central, provincial, and municipal governments have adopted Huawei Cloud Meetings for smart government and epidemic prevention and control and command and dispatch. In addition, Huawei Cloud Meeting has supported online education for over 5,000 schools and universities globally. It has also been used by over 10,000 medical institutions globally, including 17 of the top 20 hospitals in China. We have also seen some new application scenarios of cloud meeting, such as contract signing on the cloud and job interview on the cloud. Huawei Cloud Meeting is developed based on the office collaboration practice of Huawei's 119,000 employees worldwide. Powered by Huawei's core audio and video technologies, it can deliver ultra-low latency and dual 4K HD resolution for online conferences and support intelligent scenarios. With Huawei device and edge and cloud synergy solution, Cloud Meeting enables easy connection between Huawei terminals and multi-screen interactions. Its capability to integrate with popular enterprise applications and compatibility with third-party devices has been proven by long-time use in many enterprises. The entire device-to-edge to network-to-cloud links are secured by Huawei's enterprise class security capabilities. At the last, I'd like to present the Huawei Cloud market performance as the ending of my speech. Huawei Cloud has been developed rapidly since its launch in 2017. According to Gartner's latest research report in 2019, Huawei Cloud increased by more than 200% globally comparing to 2018, far exceeding that of industry players, ranked 6th in the global market and is the fastest growing cloud in the world. So far, Huawei Cloud has launched more than 210 cloud services and more than 210 solutions for global customers, including the Huawei Cloud Solutions and industry solutions with partners. We work with more than 3 million enterprises and customers and developers. More than 3,500 applications are onboarded into our marketplace. In total, more than 18,000 technical and consulting partners. Outside of China, Huawei Cloud is operating 45 available zones in 23 geographic regions around the world. We provide public cloud services for multinational companies with a consistent experience across the globe. Huawei Cloud continues to make breakthrough in its technology and improves its competitive advantages. Its infrastructure scale and paying users continue to grow rapidly. In the meantime, many Huawei Cloud products have reached the leading position in the market, such as hybrid cloud, container, database, and IoT. Looking forward, Huawei Cloud will continue to drive intelligent upgrade for enterprises by providing application and data enablement services tailored to their needs. At the end, I would like to say thanks to all of you for your time and attending my session. Thank you.
Thanks to Mr. Tan Shijie for his excellent speech. Public cloud is the most accessible cloud service for most of our customers. However, it is sometimes difficult for enterprises to fully meet their requirements by using public cloud services, especially when core businesses are involved, and hybrid cloud could offer better adaptation. Now let's welcome Mr. Atisham Rabbani, Senior Solution Architect of the Huawei Cloud Solutions Sales Department, and he will give us a detailed explanation of Huawei Hybrid Cloud.
Hello everyone, my name is Atisham Rabbani. I'm working as Senior Cloud Solution Architect in Huawei Cloud International Solutions Sales Department. Today, I'm going to talk about omnipresent, ever-present cloud for all scenarios, which satisfies our customers for current and future solutions. Hybrid cloud. What is hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud refers to a mixed computing, storage, and services environment made up of on-premises infrastructure, private cloud services, and a public cloud with orchestration among the various platforms. But the question is this: does it enable other capabilities like data enablement, application enablement, etc. But we have to look around the hybrid cloud solution across the industry and see whether they really satisfy the large-scale enterprise customers like government and etc. If we see in solution 1, there are two heterogeneous vendor solutions where services across two different cloud backends, public and private clouds, are not synchronized as solutions are from two different vendors and they have different roadmaps and solution strategies. In solution 2, even the on-prem and public cloud solution is from the same solution provider, but the full-scale autonomous management is not easy as management is slowly depends on public cloud solution provider. So we are redefining hybrid cloud by integrating resource and capabilities, which means that by having public cloud services innovation with unified operation and maintenance. This is a real hybrid cloud. Huawei Cloud Stack satisfies the hybrid cloud requirements from customers' perspective. It leverages the Huawei public cloud services and technology capabilities with continuous updates and fast innovation and enabling intelligence at the edge by having IEF solution. Huawei Cloud Stack provides cloud management capabilities by having a unified management platform called ManageOne, which matches the customer organizational structure by dividing the cloud infrastructure resources into different logical virtual DCs with 5 layers of organizational management capabilities. Huawei Cloud Stack enables data monetization capability with logical data lake where data is stored centrally in one data storage repository. Huawei Cloud Stack provides an application-level building and integration platform called Roma, which enables developers with pre-packaged application building blocks. It's not only IT department and organizations are looking to public cloud services, but business departments also would like to use public cloud services to have faster innovation and use technologies like AI, blockchain, big data, infrastructure, and platform services. So, Huawei Cloud Stack, which enables enterprises build leading hybrid clouds, is based on Qingtian architecture. The Qingtian architecture consists of synergistic software-hardware system on the data plane and the Al-Qaeda Intelligent Cloud Brain on the management and control plane. Huawei Cloud Stack have continuous synchronization with Huawei Cloud and already enabled 80 services in 10 categories for customer data center environments. The process of synchronization of cloud services and capabilities contains 11 simple steps in 3 phases with standardized, lightweight, and easy to deliver programmable approach. Now let's talk about the management. ManageOne, the cloud management platform of Huawei Cloud Stack, can help governments and enterprises to have a centralized management and coordinate IT resources in a single center cloud. Internet-based companies just provide tenant-based single-tier flat management, while ManageOne provides 5-layer organizational structure per tenant. ManageOne also allows governments and enterprise customers to create a first-level VDC as a tenant and 4 more levels of VDCs in the tenant environment. Administrator of upper-level VDCs can configure user permissions, resource quotas, approval processes, and service catalogs for lower-level VDCs. This achieves fine-grained permissions control. ManageOne provides a multi-level operations and maintenance architecture that can match the typical multi-layer organization structure of governments and enterprises. With fine-grained rights and domain-based access control, resources can be allocated and managed in a per region, per department, or even per application manner. Now let's talk about the data part. Data silos are the problems of enterprise and governments. Huawei Cloud builds a logical data lake to concentrate data logically and eliminates the data silos. Data is now virtually stored in a lake while it was stored in physically distributed clusters, constructing a global visualized data directory. It implements cross-region collaborative and converged analysis, enables efficient data sharing, and accelerates digital transformation of governments and enterprises. One of the features we have is called He2 Engine. He2 Engine implements cross-engine, cross-source, and cross-domain convergence and improves development efficiency by 2 to 10 times. It makes services more agile by converging compute power and resources. DAYU, a converged and open cloud data operation platform that helps government and enterprise customers accumulate data assets. Holistic based data maps based on blockchain trusted data feeds, which shows where is the data and allocating the task to relevant data lake, and do this analysis locally. No need to move data. Next is the application innovation and application enablement. The problem with traditional application development is fragmentation and single application coding. Monolithic application development leads to heavy workload in collaborating with application and facility assets. The key to Huawei digital transformation is a unified digital IT platform. Huawei itself has a large-scale enterprise, has rebuilt more than 1,300 of its enterprise applications on the cloud over the years. The extensive experience and know-how we have obtained from application lifecycle management, from development, launch, operation to retirement, have all been packed into one platform called Roma. Huawei Cloud Roma underpinned by 4 principles: unified governance, building and sharing together, coexistence of legacy and new systems or assets, agility and trustworthiness. Roma Factory focuses on end-to-end DevOps, building application using microservices, API lifecycle management, and low-code or no-code development. Roma Connect is the integration platform that breaks down all data silos. It connects all applications and data of an enterprise, integrates them across cloud and regions, and allows digital assets to be shared more efficiently. Roma Exchange helps governments and enterprises continuously accumulate digital assets, reduce repeated IT investment, accelerate service application construction and innovation, and improve IT return of investment, making digital assets and IT resources as available as water and electricity. So with all the audience, I would like to share how we have implemented Huawei Cloud Stack with our customers. One of the case I would like to share is a State Grid Corporation of China, commonly known as the State Grid, is a Chinese state-owned electricity utility corporation. It is the largest utility company in the world, and as of 2020, the world's 3rd largest company overall by revenue. They have started an initiative called Digital New Infrastructure, and the top 10 key construction tasks are focusing on large data center environments, industrial areas such as internet, 5G, artificial intelligence, etc. Since 2019, we successfully won the bid for the headquarters of State Grid and 14 provincial branches and provided them Huawei Cloud Stack, which enables big data, application platform, infrastructure services, IoT, and so on. At the same time, we are also doing some joint innovation with some provinces and have achieved a remarkable result. One of the key highlights of our solution is to provide them a single unified management of their operations across all the provincial OPCOs. Manage one's one-level operation and two-level operation and maintenance capabilities to achieve decentralization and domain management. To build one cloud in State Grid Corporation as the goal. The cloud management platform of all provincial companies is integrated into the cloud management platform of the head office. From the perspective of the group headquarters, resources can be viewed on one screen to realize the unified management of IT resources of the company. Huawei Cloud Stack helps them improve the efficiency of data sharing and development and solve the total cost of data development, operation and maintenance of 32.5 million yuan, which is around $4.86 million. Now I would like to share another case of Huawei Cloud Stack. So by providing a single unified enterprise cloud with a federated architecture, China Life was built a unified financial cloud platform that has access to over 200 Huawei Cloud services. This unified cloud platform meets the diverse needs of different business units and application system of China Life, allowing them to innovate faster. The unified management platform is matched to China Life's complex organizational structure, allowing it to manage over 10 HQ departments and over 36 provincial branches in a refined manner. According to estimates based on the statistics of China Life's top 7 internet services, including desktop cloud, video cloud, and a dual recording system, the new platform helped China Life reduce network expenditure by over 70%. That is 30 million Chinese RMB each year through the use of EIPs and CDN. The hybrid cloud marketplace integrates hybrid cloud services. China Life's internal applications, applications of industry customers, as well as those developed by ISVs. This allows China Life to build a rich application ecosystem. The marketplace provides SaaS services, API services, and pre-built images. Different branches of China Life can quickly deploy application based on their own needs, which is also cost effective. Now I would like to share another implementation case of Huawei Cloud Stack. So Shenzhen, where I'm based, Shenzhen suffers from chronic traffic congestion. Shenzhen, with a road mileage of only over 600 kilometers, has a population of more than 20 million, 3.52 million cars, and an average vehicle density of 530 vehicles per kilometer, ranking first in China. With the support of Huawei Cloud Artificial Intelligence and other technologies, Shenzhen Traffic Police have established a road dynamic monitoring system, which detects traffic flow through video, through license plate recognition, and gas station license plate recognition system with an accuracy rate of 95%. About 700 million pieces of vehicle data have been collected every month, and nearly 40 terabytes of data from 78 internal and external system databases have been integrated at the same time, which strongly support congestion analysis and optimization scheme of traffic big data. The traffic flow in the traffic surveillance video of Shenzhen can also realize the second level induction recognition and into the big data system for real-time traffic flow analysis, which reduces the average delay time of vehicles passing during peak hours by 12.8% and greatly elevates the pressure of traffic jams. So not only these cases, we've been trusted by more than 4,000 government and enterprise customers. So if I conclude, the enterprise and the government, they need a brand new hybrid cloud solution, which not only integrate resources, but bring the capabilities and provide a unified view of public, private, and edge cloud. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, Mr. Asham Rabbani. Huawei Cloud and Huawei Hybrid Cloud have been widely deployed around the world, and over 210 services are available. Today we will launch 2 new services. Let's welcome Mr. Wu Fei, CEO of Beijing Seniverse Technology, to launch the Seniverse Weather Big Data Cloud Service.
Hi, this is Felix, CEO of Seniverse. I'm glad to share how we work with Huawei Cloud to build a cloud-native AI forecasting system for renewable energy generation. First of all, please allow me to briefly introduce my company. Saniverse, a meteorological technology company from China, is committed to using the meteorological data and artificial intelligence technology to help enterprises reducing risks, improving profits, and handle the challenges and opportunities brought by weather and environmental changes. Since 2016, Saniverse has been delivering high-quality services to hundreds of enterprise clients in energy, retail, agriculture, insurance, and other industries. As we all know, energy supply and environmental protection are major issues facing all mankind, and governments have taken positive actions to tackle the enormous challenges posed by global climate change. Last year, the Chinese government also vowed to the world to strive for a peak in carbon dioxide emissions by 2030 and strive for carbon neutrality by 2060. To achieve these goals, clean energy substitution is a necessary and effective way for countries around the world. In fact, according to the latest plans, by 2030, China's installed wind and solar capacity will have grown by more than 100% to 1,200 gigawatts, which potentially make it happen that surpassing the thermal power as the largest source of energy supply. Not only that, the United States and Europe are carrying out a similar energy system transformation. Indeed, a big push for wind and solar power would make a positive contribution to reducing global carbon emissions. However, the randomness and the volatility of wind and solar generation, which are easily influenced by weather, also bring great challenges to power dispatching and grid safety. In fact, the power generation companies in China are required to provide power generation forecasts on a daily basis as accurate as possible to avoid penalty. In the case of Northwest China, inaccurate forecasts could result in a wind farm being fined hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Moreover, in the power commodity trading, for wind and solar power generation, the accuracy of power generation forecasting will directly affect the power trading strategy and profitability. It can be said that the power generation forecast plays a vital role in the operation of wind and solar power generation enterprises. However, the development of high-accuracy power generation forecasting system is very difficult, which involves core technologies such as weather forecasting model, power forecasting model, etc. It also needs to address issues such as customer data security, AI model training and continuous iteration, and high computation cost. In order to solve these problems, Saniverse has been working with Huawei to develop a cloud-native AI forecasting system called SensePower. Huawei Cloud provides us with comprehensive, high-performance, and cost-efficient cloud platform to build our system on. First, the raw data, including power station and weather data, are transferred to Huawei Cloud and stored in OBS, which is an unified storage system. Second, using ModelArts, which is the AI platform of Huawei Cloud, we can efficiently train the data and develop forecasting models for each power station. Then, the AI model are also stored in the OBS. Finally, we use the Auto-Scaling Container Engine, CCE and CCI, to run the forecasting models for all the power stations in parallel. Thanks to the high performance and the flexibility, the computation can be completed with lightning speed and low cost. With the rich options of features and business models of Huawei Cloud, we are able to find the right balance between performance, and cost, which helps us to explore more AI models within shorter time, saves us from building everything from scratch, and most importantly, helps our customers saving hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with high accuracy and availability. With the rapid development of renewable energy around the whole world, Saniverse is committed to build a strong relationship with Huawei Cloud to provide wind and solar customers with the most accurate and reliable solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wu Fei. We believe that the Saniverse Weathered Big Data Cloud Service will enable customers in the energy industry and other related fields to better utilize weather information and improve industry efficiency. Next, let's invite Mr. Zhang Le, Senior Solution Architect of Huawei Cloud, to launch the Huawei Data Security Service.
This session addresses why we need DSC and what DSC can do. The reason why we need DSC is that enterprises are facing with an increasing number of data risks and focusing more on data security. Looking back those security incidents in recent years, we can see data breaches cause immeasurable reputation and economic loss to enterprises. Data security is not a far-away concept. It matters to everyone. For an increasing number of enterprises, cloud is strategic to virtually every digital transformation journey. As a result, they gradually shift the focus on cloud data security since they have migrated more and more important data to the cloud. There are two major causes for data breaches: external attacks. Hackers exploit cyber vulnerabilities to hack into enterprise systems to steal and damage data. Internal risks. Due to the lack of data lifecycle management and control, it's easier to obtain sensitive data from inside enterprise. Either intentionally or inadvertently leaking sensitive information is a pain point for enterprises. Therefore, our data security system must be built to defend internal and external security threats. Just now, we have learned the trends and challenges for data security. To eliminate enterprise internal and external security threats, Huawei Cloud makes every effort to develop DSC, which provides 8 core security capabilities. The first capability is that data security is intuitive. In general, we have built unified intuitive management capabilities to ensure data security, answer the ultimate question of building data security in the cloud, and make each piece of data visible, controllable, traceable, and trustworthy. As the Bucket theory indicates, system security depends on its weakest point. To safeguard your data assets throughout their life cycle, including data connection, transmission, storage, processing and use, exchange, and destruction, you need a robust data governance framework. Cloud data security capabilities scattered in multiple services, such as VPN, security group, SSL certificate, and services with integrated encryption capabilities. For example, ECS, RDS, and OBS. Huawei Cloud DSC is dedicated to integrating those scattered data security capabilities and providing a unified data security governance framework in the perspective of talents. Data connection security involves practices of organizations connecting data from external systems, which have implications for confidentiality, availability, and the integrity of data. During data connection, we should focus on risk identification and prevention, determine whether the newly connected data obtains sensitive data, whether risk exists after data breaches, and how to protect sensitive data using technical means. Huawei Cloud DSC builds an automatic 3-layer data identification engine to give you an overview of data risks. It supports 200 data formats and structured and unstructured data, covering all scenarios. Data transmission security is the capability to send data electronically from one entity to another through the new network within an organization. During data transmission, authentication and encryption are the key to security. In this phase, eavesdrops, sniffing, and man-in-the-middle attacks are the most common. Attackers exploit the insecure transmission channel by sending unauthenticated and unencrypted packets to commit a crime. To prevent security risk during data transmission, enable SSL, TLS encryption and public and private certificate authentication. DSC continuously monitors the transmission channel status by interworking with services such as virtual private network, cloud, connect, and certificate services. Data storage security involves protecting storage resources and the data stored both on-premise and data in the cloud. It ensures data availability and authorized use. During data storage, DSC monitors the encryption status of files in OBS buckets. OBS supports default transparent encryption of files and stores the files in ciphertext in the cloud to ensure data security. Data use security is enhanced by computing analysis and virtualized data in organization. The data transfer process is exposed to many risks. By analyzing data usage behaviors, DSC can identify possible data breaches in advance. For example, before resignation, an employee batch downloads confidential documents and plans to bring them to his new company. Batch downloading is not a normal work behavior and will generate an alarm to DSC. DSC builds a deep learning behavior identification capability to identify abnormal behavior in advance and generate alarms in a timely manner to prevent data breaches. Data exchange indicates secure sharing of data between organizations and individuals. During data exchange, the great challenge is that data may flow from an internal system or organization to an external system or organization, making it difficult to control data breaches. Huawei Cloud provides data watermarking to trace transfer data flows, files, and images. With watermarks, you can trace when and how data breaches occurred and protect your intellectual property. During data exchange, Huawei Cloud DSC provides the data masking to protect sensitive data. With more than 20 masking algorithms such as hash, encryption, keywords, masking, rounding, and MT-implicit, DSC can be used in multiple sensitive data masking scenarios. In addition, DSC can identify sensitive data and its sensitivity, helping you determine the sensitive information to be masked in the cloud. Data destruction is a process of destroying data stored on tapes, hard disks, and other forms of electron media so that it is completely unreadable and cannot be accessed or restored. During the destruction of customer data, Huawei Cloud clears the specific data and all the copies. Once customers agree the deletion, Huawei Cloud deletes the index relationship between customer and data and clears the storage spaces such as memory and the block storage before reallocation to ensure that the related data and information cannot be restored. If a physical storage medium is to be disposed, Huawei Cloud clears the data by degaussing, blending, and breaking the storage media to ensure that the data on the storage media cannot be restored. These are the 8 core capabilities to DSC. If you want to learn more, welcome to visit DSC in Huawei Cloud.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang Le. Data security is a concern for all enterprises. We believe that the data security service released today can help you better manage and use your data. Today's session is coming to an end. Thank you for your participation. I hope that our speeches will help you better understand Huawei Cloud and related services. Welcome to visit HuaweiCloud.com and use Huawei Cloud to accelerate the intelligent transformation of your enterprise. Goodbye.